Friends, do you know what are spores and molds? There are some plants that don't produce seeds. They have no roots and no real stems, and they're not green either. These are the fungi, all 100,000 different kinds of them. One of the simplest fungi is called mold. If you leave a piece of bread or an overripe banana lying around, you will see that it soon becomes covered with powdery patches of mold. It only takes one microscopic mold cell to start the mold growing. This kind of mold cell is called a spore. Most spores are so tiny they float in the air. When they land on something they can use as food, they begin to send out tiny threads. Some of the threads grow down like roots, others grow up like stems. New spores on the stems to be released into the air when ripe. Slime molds are more like animals than fungi. They start as microscopic blobs of jelly. The blobs move towards each other and join together to form a slug shaped thing. The thing crawls around. It begins to change. Then it stops moving. It becomes a long thin stem with a knob on the end. The knob dries and breaks open, and out come thousands of tiny spores. Mold that grows on dead plants and animals is very useful. It helps make dead things rot. But most molds attack living creatures or plants and cause disease. Other molds are actually made to grow on food and make it taste better. The molds in Stilton and Roquefort cheeses give them the special taste. Thank you for watching and subscribe.